Drawing tablets come in two broad categories: standalone tablets that operate without a computer, and graphics tablets that require a PC or tablet/phone to run software. For artists, students, and hobbyists, the choice hinges on portability, software ecosystem, input fidelity, and total cost of ownership. In this review, I evaluate 5 models spanning budget LCD doodle boards to fully capable standalone tablets with modern Android OS.
Product number 1. 4-pack LCD writing tablet for kids. The TQU 4-pack LCD doodle boards deliver an ultra-budget entry point into digital drawing and writing. Each 8.5-inch board uses pressure-sensitive LCD technology to vary line thickness and includes a front erase button plus a lock switch to save content. The set ships with 4 colors: blue, light blue, green, and pink, and relies on a single button battery for operation, making it a low-maintenance, low-cost option for classrooms, car trips, and busy households seeking quiet entertainment plus basic practice in writing and math drills. In everyday use, these boards offer instant draw and erase cycles with no charging, minimal latency, and reliable portability. The lack of built-in storage or apps means the product excels as a simple practice canvas or scratchpad, rather than a creative studio tool. For families with multiple kids, the 4-pack design can reduce competition for devices, but the trade-off is a limited feature set and a relatively small active area. Pros include pressure-sensitive lines, 4 colors, erase on demand, and a compact footprint. Cons include basic functionality, reliance on a button cell battery for longevity that may require periodic replacement, and no digital storage, which limits learning workflows that require saving progress.
Product number 2. Picasso Tab X Drawing Tablet. No computer needed. Drawing apps. The Picasso Tab X from Simbins is a true standalone Android tablet tailored for beginners and students. It ships with pre-installed drawing and animation apps, plus a stylus and 4 bonus items: tablet case, drawing glove, power adapter, and screen protector, valued around $50. Its 10-inch IPS display, 64GB storage, and a MediaTek quad-core processor provide a capable base for entry-level art and note-taking, making it appealing for those who want a single device to draw, study, and watch media on the go. Performance-wise, the Picasso Tab X handles basic digital sketching and light animation tasks adequately, with 1024-level pressure sensitivity and Wi-Fi connectivity for app downloads. The Android 6.x base OS may feel dated by 2025 standards, and the device lacks a modern high-refresh display or USB-C charging in some configurations, which can hamper future-proofing. It is suitable for beginners who want an affordable, all-in-one art and education device, but power users may outgrow it quickly. Pros include bundled accessories, standalone OS, and solid entry-level performance. Cons include older Android version, limited multitasking ability, and modest storage that can fill quickly with apps and assets.
Product number 3. Graphics Drawing Tablet. The UGE M708 V3 is a classic wired graphics tablet aimed at beginners and hobbyists seeking a large drawing area without a computer. It features a 10x6-inch active area, 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity with a passive stylus, and 8 customizable shortcut keys for workflow efficiency. Compatibility spans Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux, broadening the range of devices you can pair with it. This model emphasizes a more traditional, non-standalone workflow, making it ideal for users who already own a computer or want to pair with a laptop for digital illustration, vector work, or photo editing. In use, the M708 delivers solid performance with reliable pen input fidelity, tilt support claims, and a stable driver experience across major platforms. The lack of a built-in screen means users must look at their monitor while drawing, which reduces immediacy but is standard for non-display tablets. Shortcuts improve productivity once configured, and the broad compatibility makes it a safe, no-frills investment for students and aspiring artists. Pros include large active area, 8192 level pen pressure, cross-OS compatibility, and 8 express keys. Cons include lack of a display, potential driver quirks on newer systems, and no palm rejection described on the tablet itself.
Product number 4. Rubens Tab T11 Pro Standalone Drawing Tablet. No computer needed. Frunze's Rubens Tab T11 Pro is a capable standalone tablet with a 10.1-inch Full HD display and a built-in octa-core CPU. It ships with pre-installed drawing apps and tutorials, a battery rated at 5800 mAh, offering up to around 5 hours of continuous use, and USB-C charging. This device targets artists and students who want a self-contained drawing solution without tethering to a PC. The package includes a stand case and other accessories that expand its value proposition, especially for new artists who benefit from guided content. With a 1024-level pressure-sensitive stylus and multi-touch gestures, the Rubens Tab T11 Pro supports natural input and fluid sketching. Battery life is decent for short sessions, but may require planning for longer sessions away from a charger. The pre-installed apps can jumpstart creative work, but power users may want to install additional tools from the App Store. Pros include standalone operation, bundled accessories, and a robust screen for drawing. Cons include limited battery life and longer sessions, and potential app ecosystem limitations compared to more open Android tablets. Product number 5. Picasso Tab A10 Drawing Tablet. No computer needed. Stylus pen. The Picasso Tab A10 from Symbands is a higher-spec standalone Android tablet designed for more serious digital artists and students. It features a 10-inch IPS display, 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, Android 14, and an active stylus with pre-installed drawing and animation apps. The inclusion of a modern Android OS and relatively generous RAM and storage makes it a robust option for users who want multitasking capability, offline artwork, and a broader app library. In practical terms, the A10 delivers a smoother experience for iterative drawing, note-taking, and light video or animation work thanks to the increased RAM and a newer OS. The 4096 level pressure sensitivity on the stylus is adequate for most digital painting tasks, and the bundled accessories, case, drawing glove, power adapter, screen protector, improve initial usability. However, as a consumer device in the $219.95 tier, it competes with premium standalone tablets that may offer better display quality, longer battery life, or higher-end specs. Pros include modern Android 14, ample storage and memory, and a comprehensive accessory bundle. Cons include a strong price point relative to some competitors and potential bloat from pre-installed software.